Hello, welcome to my new channel. I'm going to be ThatClickingNoise, and I will be playing Year Walk, which I've been a couple times trying to record it before. I suck at it, so we're going to start it anew. I'm going to start from the very beginning. I'm going to see how fast I can get through it. It should be actually pretty quick, because like I said, I've gone through it plenty of times. I've got sheets, knows what to do. In the old days, man tried to catch a glimpse of the future in strangest ways. They locked themselves in dark rooms, not partaking in food and drink, which I couldn't do. I love eating too much. At stroke of midnight, they ventured out into the night, through the dark woods, where the strange creatures roamed. This is true. See if they would be wealthy, see if they would be happy, to see if they would live, see if they would be loved, blah 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 blah. So that's actually a nice part. I really like the music in this game. Alright. And we're in front of the cottage. And, ooh. Yeah, you can turn up walking speed. Which I did, because go pretty slow, and this should let me get through it very quickly. It's actually an achievement for getting through the game in less than 20 minutes. This is the box. I can't do anything with the box. So, no thanks. You actually unlock the box later on. First thing I gotta do is get to the windmill, which there is I should be able to get through it pretty fast. There's a map, which comes in super handy. Go head up to the windmill. You can see where you start. You start at the cabin. There's a box, and there's other things on the way that you kind of need to pay attention to if you want to get everything in the game. Again, I'm going the wrong way. And you should be able to see the windmill there. And here we are. Should take that jug, brought some good in it. And here we meet my lady friend. And you click to talk. Alright, I've been waiting for you all day. Don't rush me. You should not go outside without a hat-on cold day like this. Wow, you smart. Freeze your ears off. Quite fine. The person those ears belong to. Aw, that's sweet. And no, they're not. That's not a thing. I mean, so you know I'm not ashamed of you. Okay. I thank you very much. You're very fond of my ears. Okay, she's nailing it. Waiting for an answer. I said give them to her next year. Because I think there's some kind of like love triangle thing going on. Last day of the year. Oh, she looks sad. I'll be in a fierce and you're for me. It's not like we like this. Calm down. No. Nope. Absolutely not. I'm assuming he became very successful after his year walk, and you're afraid of me being successful. To be foolish. I promise nothing. Fair enough. Hurry and go to your college, get some rest, and you keep talking to her. She said the same thing over and over again. Fine, I'll leave. Wow, she's pushy. So all I can do now is just go back home, which I know exactly where home is, and go up, right, down, stupid box. I haven't used yet. I know what it does. I know how to use it. I still haven't actually used it. As you can see, it's still daytime, so we're going to go home. I guess we're going to nap and go back out there and do your walk. I like this part. Year. It's going to be year. Wa. Where. Year walk. Yay. I done good so far. Okay. And there's no fail state in this game. You can't really fail at it. You can just not finish it, but there's no way to actually lose at it. And now things are going to be a little bit different now that it's nighttime. You'll see markings like this, which correspond to your encyclopedia. That's going to be the Night Raven. I'm not going to read through all this. I already know all this, but it has information about all the different things you need to do in the game. Cats. So yeah. Someone's actually really freaky. Yeah. But first off, I need to go... I know where to go. Where do I go? I know where to go. I need to go... Oh, I need to go to the gate. Which... Look in there real quick. I hate that thing. I'm going to come back to that in a second. And up. And... the gate. Which gives you a vision of a key. Shape of a goat head. Give me the key. Give it. Give it. Give it the tree. Pretty forest lady, taking my key. Neat. So I have to find the lady with my key. So now I gotta find... If you can hear it in the game, there's singing now. You have to follow the singing to where it gets loudest. But this is also a part of what comes next. Go away. You come here, you see these two owls and this creepy doll, which you have to kind of grab the head and spin it. Oh, nope. Spin it all the way. And you memorize the pattern that I've got written down. Because I'm smart. I take notes. Go away. Music is very pretty. See? Yeah, that wasn't pleasant to see my first playthrough. The goat stone. See, you'll find stones around here. See, there's this one here, which is where I actually put it in. But you'll find patterns here, here, and up here, which you get to later. You have to put in that gives you the clue for the end of the game for how to get actually like past the final area, which I'll show you those soon enough. And here's my lady, and click, and it's gonna follow her back to her home. Come on, let's go. Let's go a little bit faster. I want to beat this in 20 minutes. You're making it very difficult. Oh. Okay. And now she goes. She takes forever. Okay, now we go right. To the right. Oh, that's right. Go follow her. And up. Alright. And left. No, no, not left. This left. That left. And where there was no path before, she graciously plants some flowers for you. Very kind of her. Very good. Recognize the music. Neat. Same music that was at the doll in that little owl house thing. And these are the owls. So you just click them in the pattern that they did in there. Which I wonder... There we go. I got turned up quite a bit in my headphones, actually. Less pleasant than her singing. I wonder how it plays out with those owls. Are you actually going over there and poking them? Alright, in this part, you find these beams of light, which are singing. You have to find the one that sounds the prettiest and go through it. If you do it right, you get that noise. If you don't, if you go the wrong way, it gives you a bad noise and you have to go back to the beginning. There we go. Which can be very frustrating because I'm kind of tone deaf. So it took me like 20 minutes figuring this out last time. Or my first time. And there. I don't like this part. Pretty lady. I don't like that part. I hate that woman. You actually read through her information. She can be good or bad. But if she's good, she'll take blood, like she did right there. And, like, help me. It's like what she did. But I know if she's good or bad. Because here's the key, but it's fake. So, that's not nice. Maybe she is bad. You think she would give me the key if she was good, right? And the next one? Yeah, the brook horse. Very weird. Yay! Give me that. Uh-huh. So now you gotta find, mealings, I think they're called. It actually says encyclopedia, which, if you'll notice, is now a little bloody. Malingin. Hear that noise? Yeah, it's creepy. Ugh, it's so messed up. I'm worried about their... It's not pleasant. But if you come all the way down here, you find the first baby. Ugh, gross. That means we gotta find 3 more babies. But this shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't take too long. Yeah, whenever you start seeing blood on the ground, which is not good. You hear that noise. That means that there's a baby around there. So, I just want this wagon. And... oh. Yeah. Don't know what that means. Did it get hurt in a cart crash? Because the thing said, these are ones that were killed by baby makers. Usually they're mothers, or angel makers. Baby makers would be the mother. Alright, 2 down. If we go... ah! See, here's one of those stones. Like I said, it correlates on the map right there. So whenever you go back to that first tall stone, you put in the points. It lights up an eye. When you get all 3 eyes, you get a cutscene. Shows you what you need to do, which I will do that. More blood. This puzzle took me forever, because you can't open it. You're like, okay, U. So let me just type in a U or an N. No. So you actually push the button on the keyboard, and there it goes. Doot, doot. And there's a baby in the kiln. It's just sick. And why is there blood up there? Why is there blood on top of the house? It's sick. It's sick. Oh well. He's with his horse uncle now. And now we go back to the windmill, which is earth. And up, and up. Left, up. There's a windmill. And you immediately see blood. Hear that noise. You see blood dripping. Our lady friend is not here. And the gears that were going before, not going anymore. Which means that you gotta turn on, which I don't want to do, because I remember what happens. God! And there you go. Oh, I hate it. Oh. Nope, can't get the baby out. And come here, baby. gosh, darn it. It's so unpleasant. I want to take on this poor little baby. Shake the baby. Shake the baby. Back down to the horse. Down. Nope, right. And down the log. There, I brought the horsey back as children, which makes him happy. Oh, good. So I did it. Get the key and Dick Bird.